how to secure a scarf, we demonstrate how to tie scarves so they won't come undone. Created by Karen Little, owner of littleviews.com and sketchviews.com, we show how common ponytail bands can invisibly secure scarf knots. While heavy and thick cotton scarves are easy to secure because of their bulk, silky scarves tend to shift around, and knots often fall apart. Fortunately, you can solve this problem by using small hair bands that are commonly available in drugstores and online. We tried several hair bands to determine which ones work best with scarves. The thick Scunchi Medium Hold and Gentle Hold products work great on heavy scarves. Scunchi's colorful bands also add decorative features. The best bands for silky scarves are colorful Scunchi Girl No Damage Polyband elastics, as well as black super stretch rubber bands. In addition, we purchased Walgreens large poly bands. Similar products are sold under different labels. To use a band on any size silky scarf, slip one end into the band. Now twist the band as shown. Slide the remaining end into the loop formed from the twist. At this point, you can style your scarf. Our first example is a square scarf placed across the shoulder. Our second example is a rectangular scarf. After your band is secure, bring one of the scarf ends over the top to hide the scrunch, if needed. You can also fold a long rectangular scarf in half, then secure it with a band to create a lavish drape. And last, you can easily create a bandana secured by a band. To create a bandana, fold a square scarf into a triangle, secure opposite ends with a band, then slip it over your head like any bandana placement. The appearance of your bandana is related to the size of your scarf and the way you manipulate it. Bands can be used with any scarf tying technique. No matter how fancy you get, bands will hold your scarf exactly as tight or loose as you need. For more information on scarf tying styles, Google the subject, "How to tie a scarf." Pinterest, of course, also has numerous pictures.
Thank you for listening. For more information, visit littleviews.com or sketchviews.com.